Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to convert a CSV file to TSV using Google Sheets. First, open your CSV file in Google Sheets. To do this, click File in the top menu bar, then click Import from the menu that appears. In the Import window, choose Upload. Then, drag your CSV file or click Browse to select it from your device. Your File Explorer will appear where you can click your CSV file. Then, click Open to upload the file. After it uploads, the Import File window will appear. Choose your import location by clicking the drop-down and selecting between the options. For this example, let's click the Insert New Sheet option. You can also select the separator type by clicking the drop-down. Let's click Comma. Then, click Import Data. The conversion will load and the CSV file will be opened and converted into a usable Google Sheets format. To convert this to TSV, go to File in the top menu bar, then hover over Download from the menu that appears. Then, choose Tab Separated Values or .tsv. Your file will download as a TSV file. So, that is how you convert CSV to TSV in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.